Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It seems like it's raining a little bit again, but that's okay. I hope you're all having a great week. I'm going to read for Thankful Thursday this amazing book called Bird Hugs that I actually borrowed from my sister. And for a little friend who's going to read with me which some of you might even recognize, is my little unicorn Sprinkles. He's not an animal in this book, but he's really cute and he's fun, so he will be on my lap reading with me. Bird Hugs by Ged Adamson. Bernard wasn't like other birds. When he was a baby, he didn't know he was different. Life was simple and fun. Then Bernard's friends began to fly. No matter how many times he tried, it was something he couldn't seem to do himself. One by one, the other birds left, in search of new places. "I'll learn to fly soon, won't I?" said Bernard. "Of course you will," said Orla. But the next day, she was gone too. Bernard was all alone. Maybe he just needed a little help. "That's right, Lawrence," said Bernard. "Keep pecking that rope." "I'm flying!" Snap, twack. But he wasn't. Embarrassed by his useless wings, he tried to make them smaller. Then he wondered if it might be better to pretend they were something else. A scarf, for instance. A nice big bow. It was hopeless. Bernard felt utterly sorry for himself. He found a lonely branch and made it his home. Days turned into nights. Seasons changed. Different creatures came and went. Bernard barely noticed them. But then, one evening, he heard a sound. Sob. It was coming from someone even more dejected than Bernard. Dejected is another word for sad. "I feel very sad, and I'm not sure why," wailed the orangutan. Bernard jumped up and, with his long wings, gave the orangutan a big hug. The orangutan stopped crying and sighed. After a while, he stood up and stretched. "That made me feel a whole lot better," he said. "Thank you, kind bird." Back at his branch, Bernard thought that maybe his wings are good for something after all. For the first time in a long while, he slept soundly and woke refreshed, which was just as well. We want hugs. Bernard hugged a bear and a rabbit and a whole group of birds. He hugged a very ticklish crocodile and a very slippery frog. Even a worm wanted a hug, which you'll agree was pretty brave of the worm. Now, every morning without fail, the animals told Bernard their problems. It can be lonely at the top of the food chain. It's hard being the youngest. And he listened. Sleeping during the day makes me feel like I'm missing all the fun. Bernard didn't feel sorry for himself anymore, and all of the hugging had made his wings feel strong. Maybe even strong enough for... flying! This is amazing! Whoa! There's more to life than flying, I suppose, said Bernard. Crash! Much more. And here the animals say, play with us, Bernard. Hello, Bernard. Oh, hi, Bernard. Hey, Bernard. Bernard, my man. Yo, Bernard. Bernard. How do you think Bernard's feeling right about now? Bernard discovered that helping the other animals had given him something he hadn't expected. New friends. And friends can help you do anything. Whee! The end. So I love that book because it has many special messages. But the most important is we're all unique in our own special way. And we all have something to offer the world, and we all have something to offer our friends just by being us. Bernard tried really hard to be something that he wasn't. And just by kind of taking a step back and realizing that he had one of the most important things to offer is comfort and hugs, made him just that much more appreciative of himself and appreciated by the people around him. You have so many things to offer. And for this Thankful Thursday, I want you to think about all of the things that make you really special and all the things you have to offer your friends, your family, Driscoll, the Massachusetts, the world, anything. I'll just by giving you a big hug from all the way from my house to your house, and I'm missing you, and I hope you have a great day. For now, I'll see you tomorrow.